Guys, let's get right into another trade recap. Today we took two trades. We could have made 3% today, but unfortunately we got minus 1%. I'm gonna explain you exactly what happened today. It was unfortunate, but nothing we can change. Things happen. That's the trading journey. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame and let's see what price looked like. First thing I looked at was this order block. I thought this is a strong order block. We have swept the liquidity to the left, had a huge impulse to the downside, came back into this order block, rejected from it. But if we look closely, let's get to the 1 hour time frame. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 highs. So this is just liquidity. This price will probably come back even further into this little order block, which I have marked in red, this right here. And that's exactly what happened. Let's get right to the 50-minute time frame. We can see that price came back into this area. We have swept all of this, and to the left to all we have swept. That's a trade I took yesterday. I showed it on X, so please follow me on X. That's where I will show you my analysis and my trades I take exactly when I take those trades, so you can learn from my trades as well. So basically, I marked this little trend line right here, which acts as liquidity. When we look to the left, this is our swing low, and basically on London Open, we have swept the swing low, moved higher, and came back into this order book. Now let me show you what I posted on X. So that's what I sent today on the morning. I told you on the daily chart, we can see that price has swept liquidity above the order block on equal highs, which I basically have shown right here, those equal highs and the order block on the left, whatever. The price has reacted bearishly from the strong order block marked in red, which I've also shown with this right here. We could be on the way to breaking a new swing low. That's what I've said. And I've watched price closely on the 50-minute time frame. What I've posted afterwards, literally a few minutes after that, what we could see is that on London session, we broke higher and came back into this order block. What I saw was this equal highs, which act as liquidity. So I thought, okay, maybe we could reject from Asia session high, but Asia session highs also act as liquidity, so we could just sweep this as well. So I've stated we have a bearish trend line which acts as liquidity. Price could give us a fake reaction on the London high. Pay close attention. And I've called this fake reaction exactly. What happened here? Let's go down to the 3-minute time frame. This was the order block. This was the order block I have marked out, or I was showing right here. This fake reaction. This is the order block. On the 1-minute time frame, we can see price gave us some reaction. Yeah, I bet a lot of people would enter a short right here. They see, okay, this is the order block on the trend, on a bearish trend line. We have a nice bearish reaction from this candle, looks really bearish, and we can see it broke structure. So I bet a lot of traders would just place a short right here on this bearish structure, maybe place the stop loss on this high and then get stopped out. And I said, pay close attention, this is probably a trap which was the case. Price came higher. I was initially looking to sell from here, but price didn't give us good price action, so I just waited even further. Then price came back into this area. On this order block, price has swept all of this trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, which is pretty strong. And price came back into this order block, showed us a nice reaction, then gave us a change of character. And yeah, that's when I decided to go short. My stop loss was around that 7 pips, and it looked really good. It looked really good. I thought we are going to hit take profit, but I've posted on X right here that just shorted. Let's see how it goes. And here I always update on my trades, and that's basically when price came back into this order block I've marked out right here. I said price could reverse out of the order block, stop loss to break even, and let the trade run. That's basically what I did. Put my stop loss to break even. We could actually, maybe you could put a long here, but I was already in a short position, so that's not what I usually do. I don't change my positions. Could enter long here because we have still this trend line that we didn't break. We only got this high and these highs. So if you wanted, you could long here. It's a bit risky because we are still in a downtrend overall. But basically, price came back to my stop loss at break even, stopped me out. And that's where I wanted to look for a re-enter. I saw we have swept this equal highs, and now it's giving us a nice reaction. I don't exactly remember where I entered, probably right here. Had my stop loss here. Yeah, that's where I entered. I aim for a 1 to 3, or maybe a bit more down. Aim for a 1 to 3 risk reward. And unfortunately got stopped out right here as well. Why did I enter this short again? On the 5-minute time frame, we can see this tiny fair value gap, and you always want to trade fair value gaps with context. So if we hadn't swept equal highs right here, I would not enter this trade, but it was the case, so I entered again, and basically what happened is we got stopped out and back into this order block. That's where I initially wanted to sell again, which I've marked out right here. But I had to go to school and I missed this trade, so I couldn't take it. Literally on the minute when I had to go to school, this nice reaction came, and I thought, okay, we could actually sell from here, but had no time to react, to fully analyze again. So I did not enter this trade. This was the winning trade for the day. If we had our stop loss, maybe said, okay, let's just put it above this fair value gap, this could also be a winning trade. Would be definitely more risky, but yeah, you could do that too. But definitely what I want to say is this was an actually good trade where you could even aim for a 1 to 6 and target this trend line. But I missed this, so it's okay. As a trader, you have to live with what you have, and more opportunities will come. Let's see what tomorrow gives us. Let's quickly see what the DXY looked like. Yeah, the exact same thing. I've marked this trend line, the price where the order block where price could react. It didn't break this high exactly on EURUSD. We did not manage to break that low. That's the reason we did not get our 3-hour take profit hit. But price came back here. We missed that trade, unfortunately. It hit our take profit. Would have hit, you know. And instead of profiting maybe more than 3 hours, if we could have aimed for a 1 to 6. But instead we just lost 1 hour. It's okay, things happen. And one quick reminder, please follow on X, because that's where I'm going to share my market forecast, my analysis on USD every single day. If you want me to analyze some other pairs on the Forex sector, because I only trade Forex, please comment down below and I will make it happen. I hope you enjoyed this video as well, learned something from it, and have a great trading experience. Bye.